When it comes to how you make money on YouTube, a lot of people's minds immediately go to ad revenue. And they think that the way that you make money online is you have a large channel with a lot of views and a lot of subscribers, and then you're one of the lucky few who can make hundreds of thousands of dollars a month or a year off of YouTube ads. And if you're not doing that, then you're not really making a living on YouTube. Now, that's really kind of a misunderstanding of the way YouTube videos are monetized overall, and it's really one-dimensional. In other words, that's a view that just says, if you turn on ads, you're making money. If you don't, then you're not. And it's not really that simple. In this video, I want to show you how much money I've made from one video, and I'm really going to compare two different metrics. I'm going to show you the money that I made from the ads related to this video, and then I'm going to show you the money that I've made on the back end through the affiliate product that I'm promoting in the video. And you can let me know which one you think is most effective, because I think you're going to find that ads are not the only show in town when it comes to making money on YouTube. You can make money in a whole heck of a lot of ways without even having ads as a factor. So if you're wanting to get into YouTube, this is going to show you how powerful even just one video can be in your YouTube game. If you're new here, welcome. My name's Lane. I help entrepreneurs start and grow life-changing passive income businesses. If you're into that, be sure to check out my free guide. It is at lanesebring.com/supersimple. You can pick it up there. It's your super simple guide to your first $500 online. It will show you everything you need to know to set up your online business and make that first $500, which is a very, very powerful first step in this process. All right, so the video that we're looking at is here on my humble channel, and it's this one right here, the complete Shure SM7B setup, everything you need to use this mic for podcasting. So if we click on this video, it is a short video, 6 minutes long. It has 375,000 views. And what I would like to do is actually get into the analytics of this video and see what it's made. So if we go to revenue since published, it's made $1,512.56. That's not bad. It has a RPM of $4.03, CPM $11.77. What that means is that for every 1,000 times the video has been played, it's made $11.77, but I've actually been paid $4.03 for every 1,000 video plays, which has turned out to be $1,512.56. That's not bad. The video came out back in February of 2021, so it's coming up on 2 years old. So not necessarily huge money, but I'll take it. Now, if we compare the ad revenue money that I've made from this video to something other than that, that's even more exciting, this is where it gets really fun. And what I'm talking about here are the Amazon links that are in the video. So in this video, I give a review of this microphone called the Shure SM7B. I show how to set it up, I show what it looks like, how it functions, and then I demonstrate all of the things that go with it. So these are the links to what I mentioned in the video. The Shure SM7B, which is a $400 product, the Rode PSA-1, which is the arm that it's on, the Focusrite Scarlett 2i2 interface, the Cloud Lifter, the Cable Matters XLR cables, those are just the ones I use, and the Shure mic extender. I talk about those things in the video. Again, we're talking 6 minutes. Now, those Amazon links are all affiliate links. If you don't know what the Amazon affiliate program is, it's something that anybody who's on YouTube should be a part of. Anybody who creates content, whether on YouTube, TikTok, doesn't matter, you should have Amazon links, because anything you talk about that's on Amazon, you can make money from people clicking on your link to go buy that product. If they buy that product or any product within 24 hours, you get a commission. And the commissions are very, very small, but if you have a lot of them, you can make a lot of money. So if we go to Amazon and we check out how things have made. So this video came out last year, so I'm gonna go to last year. And last year, overall on Amazon, I made $24,820. This is what I made from Amazon. So I sold $817,000 worth of stuff. on Amazon. Now that's why you can see the commissions are very, very small. I sell $800,000 worth of stuff and they pay me $24,000. But that's the way that it works. Amazon's already pretty low priced. So if I go to earnings and I go to commission income, the very first product that you're going to see is the Shure SM7B. Here it is. Last year, I sold 534 of these, and I made $6,211. What's the next thing I sold? The Cloud Lifter, also listed in that video. I made $4,200 off of that. The Scarlett 2i2, $4,000 off of that. The Rode PSA, $2,000 from that. The Focusrite Scarlett Solo, $700 off of that. Cable Matters XLR cable, $700 from that. All of these products are straight from that video. I mean, that is the video that drove these links. Now, I do have a couple other small videos where I talk about the Shure SM7B and some of these things, but this is by far the biggest driver. So if you add that up, and again, this is just last year, 6,000 plus 4, that's 10, 14, 16, 17,500, somewhere around 17,500 just last year, just from that one video. And if we compare that to where we started, which was $1,500 with ads, we're already way ahead, but we're not done yet. Check this out. If we go to this year, so year to date this year, so far on Amazon, I've made $21,270 this year. And if we look at the exact same set of metrics, the Shure SM7B, I've sold 411 of them. I've made $5,000. The 2i2, $3,500. The Cloud Lifter, $3,500. The Rode PSA 1, $1,600. So if we put this together, 5 plus 3-ish, okay, 3.5, that's 7, plus 5, that's 12. 13,600. So about 14, because I did a little quick math, about $14,000 so far this year just from that one video, plus the $17,000 last year. That's $31,000 from one video on a small channel that's 6 minutes long. $31,000 versus $1,500 in ad revenue. So you tell me, which is better? What should you be going after? A large channel with the ad revenue, sure, that would be fine. If you could duplicate that process, if I could make $1,500 off of every video, that'd be amazing. But I'll take $31,000 from the video going to affiliate commissions any day of the week. So this just goes to show, if you're looking to get into YouTube, make sure that you are signed up for the Amazon affiliates program, because it's been an amazing, amazing thing for me. For example, last month I made $2,810 off of my Amazon affiliate links. So I sold 37 of those microphones last month, made $700, $500 off the 2i2, and you could see there's a whole list of things that I have sold. Most of it is gear that I've either reviewed or gear that's similar to what I've reviewed, because again, I make money off of anything people click on and buy after they have clicked through my links. So I just wanted to show you the power of this, because if you're on YouTube and you're not currently doing this, you totally should. And if you want an overall plan and you want to see how this fits into an overall plan of online business, be sure to download my guide, lanesebring.com/super simple. And check out this video right here where I talk about Amazon in more depth so that you can get signed up and be an affiliate yourself. So click right there and I'll see you in that video.